Hi, everybody. Welcome back. When I think back to the last few weeks of reading workshop together, I feel like we've learned a lot and we've really grown as mystery readers. So take a second, think about what you're really proud of, and do a little celebrating. Maybe it's a celebratory dance. Maybe you want to tell somebody in your house or call a friend or maybe even talk to your dog. But take a moment and do a little bit of celebrating. How have you grown so far as a mystery reader this unit? Pause the video. Got to do some celebrating. All right, we are back from celebrating. Look at what we know how to do as a mystery reader so much. So I think I'm ready to give you a tip. As an expert mystery reader, we are always on the lookout for what a mystery writer refers to as a red herring. It's a special kind of clue. When a mystery reader notices a clue, they worry. They worry that it might not be a real clue. It might instead be a red herring. This special kind of clue was put in the book by the author to throw you, the reader, and the detective down the wrong track. And an expert mystery reader tries not to be thrown off by a red herring. So let's look back at the absent author and look at some clues that we gathered and think, were any of them fake clues? Were any of them red herrings? So I'm going back to a part, the letter from Wallace Wallace. Let's read it again and think, were there any clues here that were actually fake clues? Clues that were red herrings? Dear Mr. Duncan, thank you for your kind letter. I'm so impressed that you've read all my books. I have good news. I've made arrangements to come to the book nook to sign books. I can use part of my time for research. Thanks for your picture. I'm so happy to finally meet one of my most loyal fans. Short of being kidnapped, nothing will stop me from coming. See you soon, Wallace Wallace. I think you and I are probably thinking the same thing. Short of being kidnapped, we totally thought that was a clue, and it allowed us to predict that Wallace Wallace was kidnapped. But now I'm realizing that clue was not real. That clue was a red herring. Ron Roy, the author, put that clue there on purpose to throw us, the readers, and even Dink, the detective, down the wrong track. You got to be suspicious. You really have to think, is this a real clue or could it be a red herring? So think back to our strategies, all of the work we can do as mystery readers, and make a quick work plan. Will you be writing about your reading, sketching about your reading, talking about your reading? No matter how you choose to document your work, your thinking, try not to be fooled by those red herrings. Happy crime solving.